In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook's scheduling assistant. If you've ever struggled to find a meeting time that works for everyone, this tool is your best friend. It shows you when people are busy or free, helps you compare calendars, and even suggests rooms and times so you can schedule confidently without endless back. Start in your Outlook calendar. Create a new meeting by clicking New Meeting or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Q. If you are on Outlook on the web, select New Event. In the meeting window, add a clear subject so everyone knows the purpose. Enter attendees in the To field for required participants and the Optional field for those who can join if they're available. If you are inviting a shared device or space, those can be added as resources. Next, open the scheduling assistant using the button on the ribbon at the top. You'll see a timeline grid for the date you are scheduling. Each person appears on a row, and you'll notice color-coded blocks. Dark blue indicates busy times, and white shows free time. This view makes it easy to spot overlaps. Use the icons next to each attendee's name to flag them as required, optional, or resources. So priorities are clear. To find the best time, try AutoPick. It scans everyone's availability and selects a time slot that works for all required attendees. This is especially helpful with larger groups. If you prefer manual control, click and drag in the white space on the grid to choose a free slot. You can adjust the meeting duration by dragging the edges of your selection. And you'll see conflicts immediately if you overlap someone's busy time. If a participant's availability isn't visible, they might be outside your organization or not sharing their calendar. So plan accordingly. If your organization uses Exchange or Microsoft 365, click Room Finder. This opens a panel where you can browse available conference rooms that match your selected time. You can filter by building or capacity. Then add the room to the meeting so it's reserved along with your time. Once you've selected a time that works, click Done to return to the Meeting tab. Add any final details such as an agenda or meeting notes. And double-check your required and optional lists. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will deliver the invites and place the meeting on everyone's calendars. That's it, you've scheduled smartly with the scheduling assistant. Thanks for watching.